What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wichi. On my channel I mostly talk about Amazon, how to sell on Amazon, and how to make money on Amazon. But many of you guys know my Amazon account was deactivated for section 3. If you're not an Amazon seller, you're not gonna know what I'm talking about. But I was looking for another way to make money online, so I can so I can make money while I'm getting my Amazon account active again. So what I find out is drop shipping, and I was like, maybe it's the right time to start drop shipping, to try drop shipping. Even before I start selling on Amazon, I always see people like talking about dropshipping on YouTube and etc. But the thing is, with dropshipping, you needed money, not like Amazon. You need like a little income to start. With dropshipping, you needed money to start ads. Before TikTok was like an app where people could easily go and get organic views. People was charging a lot of money for their costs to start dropshipping. They was charging like $1,500 to $10,000 just for a course to show you how to sell and how to scale on dropshipping. At that moment, I didn't have any money at all to start dropshipping. If you guys don't know what dropshipping is basically going to AliExpress, find a product at this price, and create your website and sell it at the highest price. So when the customer places the order on your website, you go ahead on the AliExpress website and you place the order. Once you place the order, you put the customer information and everything on AliExpress, which is those orders. They're gonna go ahead and pack and ship those orders right to the customer, so you don't have to buy inventory. That's a good thing about drop shipping. So no inventory at all. You don't have to pay this money upfront until you get a sale. After you place in the order and the supplier ships the product, you end up taking the difference of that's your profit. So basically, the first thing I needed to do is to find my product. The best way I go ahead to find a product is by searching on Amazon, and I was looking for the best selling product on Amazon at the moment. And also I was going on to TikTok and find TikTok made me buy this, and all the ads videos on TikTok, all those people talking about like drop shipping and product reviews, etc. That's the best way I was looking, and hopefully find my winning product on TikTok to sell on my website. So I did that, and I find a product. Guys, I find a product. Was this a winning product I was looking for? It's a product that's easy to sell, a product that solves a problem, and a product that people can use in everyday lives. So that's how I go ahead by choosing the product I'm talking about now. I'm gonna share everything with you guys. So I go ahead and I create my website on dropshipping. The best thing about dropshipping, this video is not an ad about dropshipping, it's not sponsored about dropshipping. They have like a 3 months where you can start your shop, anything like your website. For $1, they're gonna charge you $1 for 3 months. So you basically gonna pay $1. So that's a free trial. And I was like, oh my god, it's so easy. So if it's only $1, I'm gonna go ahead. I start my website and I put it on the free trial for 3 months. And I was like, if I don't make any sale in those 3 months, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut down this website. I'm gonna look for another product to try and see which one gonna make me sales. So I go ahead, I create my website. I'm gonna show you guys right now. That's my website. Now right after I put all those products, it's time to run some ads. So I was so confident. I was so like, I thought I did everything right. I thought I find the right product and I find a winning product that's gonna make me millions, all in my head. So I let this ads run for a few days, right? So basically I was getting the product, each product at $4.50. So I was selling 2 of those products for what I did a bundle. So I was selling 2 products for $25.99. So which I was making a profit of $16.99 on each sales. So that could be good, right? So wait and see on how much money I spend on ads. So guys, I spent around like $100 in TikTok ads, right? I spent around $100 in TikTok ads. So in this week I made like 2 orders and I spent like around $100. So if I take 100 minus the 2 orders, $25.99 times 2, that will be $51.98. So if I do $51.98, 100 minus $51.98, that will leave me at $48.02, right? So now if I go ahead and take the profit, don't forget I told you guys I make $16.99 on one sale. So if I go ahead and do $16.99 times 2, that will leave me at $33.98. So after the ads and the purchase price, so I go ahead and I do 48.02 minus 33.98, leave me at $14.02 in profit. So like basically that was a winning product. So what I did is like listening to TikTok, because what TikTok does, once you make like 1 or 2 sales, they'll tell you, oh, your budget is too low and whatever. So I go ahead and I double the ads. So if I double the ads, I expected to make more money, but no. I end up spending like around like $300. I think I only make like maybe 5 sales. So basically I was negative, I was losing money. So I go ahead and I was like, I'm gonna start TikTok ads and I'm gonna go ahead and start Facebook. On TikTok ads you have to start with $20. Facebook ads you have like a certain amount you can start. It's based on how much you want and how much you use and how much people you want to target. So I go ahead, I start an ads with Facebook with $5. So and this I was working pretty much. I was getting like 1 or sale and it didn't bother me at all. Instead of spending like $20 and getting no sale, so I was spending like $5. One day I'll get a sale and the second day I will not get a sale. So in total I $258 on my first month, which leave me, I could have make like about like $158 in profit if the TikTok ads was working, but I end up losing money. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for a winning product. I'm gonna start to doing it like an organic way. So I'm gonna try to build an audience on TikTok and on Instagram Reels to see if I can do it without spending that much money on ad and see what is gonna happen. But guys, the lesson I learned from this is not a get rich money scheme. Like people saying, oh, you're gonna make $1 million, you're gonna make whatever. If it's your luck, you get lucky, you make $1 million on your first time trying dropshipping. Kudos to you, but it's not a get rich quicker, or anybody who's selling those courses wanna make you believe it's a get rich quicker thing. It's not it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. If any of you guys tried dropshipping before and you guys are successful at it, be sure to comment down below. And if you want to start dropshipping and you was looking into it, you guys already know what I did and whatever. If you guys have any question, please comment down below. I'll be so much happy to help you guys, and see you on my next video.